Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram feed filled with the posts that matter most to you, adding someone to your favorites is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to add someone to your favorites list on Instagram so you never miss a post from your favorite accounts. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your device. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and layout. Once you're in the app, head over to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in the username of the account you want to add to your favorites. Tap on their profile to open it. You'll see their bio, profile picture, and all their posts displayed. Now, look just below their bio for the following button. This button shows that you're already following this account. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Add to Favorites. That's it. You've now added this account to your favorites list. When you do this, Instagram will prioritize posts from this account in your feed, making sure you see their updates first. You can add as many accounts as you like to your favorites, and you can always manage your list by repeating these steps. Adding someone to your favorites is a great way to customize your Instagram experience and make sure you stay connected to the people and creators you care about most. Whether it's close friends, family, or your favorite influencers, you'll never miss an important moment again. If you ever want to remove someone from your favorites, just go back to their profile, tap the following button again, and select Remove from Favorites. It's that easy to keep your feed tailored to your interests. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more Instagram tips and social media tutorials. See you in the next video.